Good morning, students. We have completed chapter 15 and today I am going to start the chapter 9 and name of that chapter is algebraic expressions. I am writing here the name of the chapter is algebraic expressions. Today is first day, so I am writing first here. Better before explaining this algebraic expression, I want to tell you something more basic terms. First term is mathematical terms. But in algebra, the numbers, just numbers, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 4 by 5, 3 by 7 like this, any number is known as constant. Any number is known as constant. Just like 2, 5, 3 by 7, any real number, -4, ठीक है, और any in under root also, under root 5 like this. All these numbers are known as constant. But if we add any variables with them like this, just like this x, y, z, p, q, any alphabet with these numbers, these alphabets are known as variables. These are known as constant and these are variables. And when we combined these, that is known as mathematical terms. For example, just like 2x raised to the power 3, this is a mathematical term. 5 by 5, any variable, not necessary it is always x, y raised to the power 3 by 7, this is also a mathematical term. ठीक है, और 4 z raised to the power 5, this is also a mathematical term. All these are known as mathematical terms. Simply suppose that any number I am writing here, suppose that 6 is there. 6 is also a mathematical term, but it is constant term, because we are saying कि mathematical terms are those terms in which variable is there, power is there and coefficient is there. This number, whatever be the constant term with variable, this is known as coefficient. This one is known as power and this one is known as variable. So in any mathematical terms, three things are there: variable is there, power is there and coefficient of variable is there. But how can it possible in 6? In 6 no variable is there, only coefficient is there, no power is there. Then how can we take in mathematical terms this? Because 6 can be written as, I am telling you separately this thing. Now I am writing 6 here. So beta 6 can be written as 6 into 1. And you know 1 can be written as 6 into x raised to the power 0, because 0 power of anything is always 1. So now it is 6x raised to the power 0. Now coefficient is there, variable is there and power is there. Clear? coefficient is there, variable is there, and power is there. So now it is a mathematical terms. Now second thing I want to tell you, why the 0 power of any number is 1? Y power 0 of any number, let it is x, y, or you can write 3 raised to the power 0 is also 1. Whenever power 0 is 1, देखो y x raised to the power 0 is 1, 0 can be written as 1 minus 1, and this can be written as x raised to the power 1 into x raised to the power minus 1. Power separate करेंगे ना बेटे, base same, then we add the power like this. Now what is it? X raised to the power 1 is x into x raised to the power minus 1 is 1 by x. So now x to x cancel. What is the answer? 1. So in this way 0 power of any number is 1. So that's why we are taking these steps. Now I want to tell you कि what are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expressions is what? These are the collection of mathematical terms. Algebraic expressions are collection of mathematical terms separated by plus or minus sign. Just like this is a mathematical term, 7x raised to the power 5, ठीक है, 3x raised to the power 4, 9x raised to the power 3, and take one more, or 7 is there. I will 7 whatever bit is, 5 लिख लो चलो, 5. Now separate them by plus or minus sign like this. This is an algebraic expression because one term, second mathematical term, third mathematical term, and fourth mathematical term. Collection of all these mathematical terms is known as algebraic expressions. और second example, ये first example था. Second example you can take 9 by 4 x raised to the power 5 minus 2 x raised to the power 7 plus 1 by 9 x raised to the power 5 by 2. Whatever be the power, 5, 7, 5 by 2, decimal में, negative में 3 by 5 x raised to the power minus 4. Whatever be the variable, not necessary कि every time this will be x, and whatever be the power, negative, positive या whole number, कुछ भी power हो जाती है, and whatever be the coefficient, it may be 9 by 4, minus 2, 1 by 9, under root also, plus root 5 या constant term. So any power is there, you can use it. All these are algebraic expressions. If now next thing, if in any algebraic expression, listen first, I want to tell you the, if any, chalo, let us discuss it later. If any algebraic expressions, I just write a, if any algebraic expressions having one term, सिर्फ एक ही term है. अब how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. I am talking about only one term is there. Then it is known as monomial. Special name. If any algebraic expressions having one term, if any algebraic expressions having two terms, just like मान लो ये एक ही हो, 7x raised to the power 5 or only 5, this is also an algebraic expression, this is also a monomial, only 5 or only one term minus 2. If two terms are there, then it is known as binomial. If any algebraic expressions having three terms, then it is known as trinomial. Like this. Special name is up to this. If three terms are there, then we can say that algebraic expression is monomial, binomial or trinomial. Whatever be the power, but number of terms, take care of this thing. Don't go on the power. पावर चाहे कुछ भी हो बेटे, बट ऑलवेज चेक द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स. अब इसमें तो 4 टर्म्स है, नो नेम स्पेशल नेम इज देयर, अप टू 3 टर्म्स स्पेशल नेम इज देयर. क्लियर बेटा? नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू कि व्हाट इज पोलिनोमियल. व्हाट इज द पोलिनोमियल? पोलिनोमियल्स पोलिनोमियल एक ही बात है बेटा. पोलिनोमियल दोज एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस, दोज एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस, it means all algebraic expressions are not polynomial. Some selected algebraic expressions come under this definition, that is polynomial. Those algebraic expressions in which power of variable is whole number. सिर्फ वही एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस पोलिनोमियल कहलाती हैं जिनमें पावर, वेरिएबल्स की पावर होल नंबर होती है. अदरवाइज इन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस देयर इज नो रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन द पावर, बट इफ वी पुट सम रिस्ट्रिक्शन कि पावर शुड बी होल नंबर, देन that algebraic expression is known as power, is known as polynomial. For example, देखिए I am writing here, suppose that 3x square plus 5x raised to the power 10 plus 7x plus 9. This is a polynomial. And number of terms is more than 3. In that also, in monomial, binomial, वो तो थी algebraic expressions. Polynomial can take any terms, वही है. If any polynomial having 1 terms, that is also known as monomial. Any polynomial having 2 terms, that is also known as binomial. And if 3 terms are there, then the short name of that is trinomial. And if 4 terms are there, then no name is there, only polynomial. But condition is what? कि power should be whole number. अब यहाँ पे power क्या है वेरिएबल की? 2. What is the power here? 10. What is the power here? 1. What is the power of variable in this? This can be written as x raised to the power 0. कुछ भी पावर नहीं है बेटे, कांस्टेंट पोलिनोमियल्स में पावर 0 होती है. टेक केयर ऑफ दिस थिंग. तो इट इज़ फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल कुछ भी ले लो आप. 3/7 x रेज टू द पावर 15 प्लस 8, माइनस भी लगा सकते हो, माइनस √8 x रेज टू द पावर 2. ये भी पोलिनोमियल है. नो, आई एम नॉट पुट एनी रिस्ट्रिक्शन ऑन द कोफिशिएंट. कोफिशिएंट चाहे कुछ भी हो, एनी रियल नंबर, मैथमेटिकल लैंग्वेज इफ आई टॉक इन दैट कि एनी रियल नंबर, कोफिशिएंट में भी एनी रियल नंबर, वो कुछ भी हो सकता है. व्हाट एवर यू कैन थिंक, जो भी नंबर आप सोचो वो रियल ही होगा. ठीक है? तो कोफिशिएंट पे कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं है, पावर पे है. पावर शुड बी ऑल नंबर एंड इट इज बाइनोमियल. 2 terms are there. So these are the definition of polynomials. Polynomials are those algebraic expressions. Those algebraic expressions are called polynomial in which power of variables is whole number. No negative power should be there. No any fraction is there in the power. No any under root should be in the power. But coefficient may be any real number. Now I am telling you कि वन क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कि फाइंड द टर्म्स, फैक्टर्स, कांस्टेंट एंड वेरिएबल्स ऑफ ईच टर्म। देखो ऐसे है बेटा, फाइंड द टर्म्स, फैक्टर्स एंड, देखो ये टर्म्स, फैक्टर्स, कांस्टेंट्स, वेरिएबल्स। सेपरेट करो इनको, हर एक सम टर्म्स आर गिवन, वेरिएबल्स। देखो जैसे ये है, ए पार्ट है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ए पार्ट, ये गिवन है 7x² y³ माइनस 12xyz प्लस 11x³ y²। दिस इज गिवन, दिस इज ए गिवन, आई मीन एल्जेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशंस और है। तो ये अब इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म कौन सी है? वन टर्म, इट इज सेकंड टर्म एंड इट इज थर्ड टर्म। तो फर्स्ट क्या है बेटे? 7x² y³, फर्स्ट टर्म इज दिस। इसके फैक्टर्स क्या क्या पॉसिबल हैं? 7x² कैन बी रिटन एज इंटू x इंटू एक्स। y³ के फैक्टर्स क्या पॉसिबल है? y इंटू वाई इंटू वाई। फैक्टर्स मीन्स you should write in product form. What are the constants? Constant is only 7. And what are the variables? X and y. In this way, X and y. You comma भी लगा दो यार, x y. Next term is there, minus 12xy. What is the second term? Minus 12xyz. What are the factors? Factors of 12, इसमें क्या क्या फैक्टर है? minus 12x, write in the form of product, or you can put commas also, is not asking कि product form में लिखो, like this, minus 12x, comma y, comma z. This is also a way. You can put commas also. And what are the constants? Constant is minus 12, जो भी कोफिशिएंट होता है, ठीक है। और वेरिएबल में क्या आ जाएगा? x y z. In the same way, the third term is 11x³ y². What are the factors? 11x, x and x, then y, then y. These are the factors. Constant is 11. And what are the variables? x, y. So like this. So beta, you can solve these questions up to question number, I have completed in question number 1, 2 and 3. Question number 1 is what? Find the, that are left. Find the like terms. Find the like terms. Beta, what are like terms and unlike terms? That is left. I want to tell you that also. Look at the board. What are the like terms and unlike terms? देखो बच्चे, बेटे like terms वो होती हैं in which the variable part are same, just like but I am not talking about coefficient, just like 2x² y³, then minus 3x² y³, then 5 कॉमा लगा के लिख दो 5/2 x² y³, those terms are called like terms in which variable part and power of variable y cube बेटे both are same. जिन जिन टर्म्स में वेरिएबल भी सेम होते हैं और पावर भी उनकी सेम होती है, कोफिशिएंट चाहे बेशक डिफरेंट हो, बट दीज टर्म्स आर कॉल्ड लाइक टर्म्स. एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स होती हैं बेटे, जैसे मैं लिख दूँ 2x² y क्यूब, ठीक है, कॉमा 5x² z क्यूब, ठीक है, और 7x² y रेज टू द पावर कुछ भी लिख दो 5, कॉमा -8x, x नॉट नेसेसरी, या x लिख दो, एक और लिख दो -15 y इज देयर. तो दीज आर अनलाइक टर्म्स. मीन्स variable xy, variable xz, but variable is different, that's why it is unlike. Now variables are same, यहाँ भी xy, यहाँ भी xy, but powers are different. What is the conditions for like terms? कि variable should be same and power should be same. So in this way you have to select from the given, some questions are given to you, you have to select the like term. जस्ट लाइक फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में है 11x² 24xy 46xy -25y², ये कॉमा लगा के इसमें आपने लाइक टर्म्स बतानी है. अब लाइक टर्म्स तो जितनी भी हैं 11x² 75x², 2 टर्म्स आर देयर, 2 तो x² में, बोथ आर लाइक, ठीक है, फर्स्ट पार्ट में. और जो yx में दे आर ऑल्सो लाइक, ठीक है, y² वाली लाइक टर्म्स है, ut, tu, ts जो भी है, आई मीन यू शुड चेक द वेरिएबल्स, वेरिएबल चेक कर लेना. जैसे मैं करता हूँ एक क्वेश्चन, देखो आप, आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट क्वेश्चन नंबर कोई सा भी ले लो, सी पार्ट है या ए पार्ट ही करवा देता. ए पार्ट देखो बेटा, फाइंड द लाइक टर्म्स. वन क्वेश्चन इज देयर, 11x², क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ए पार्ट, 11x² 24yx 40xy 46xy, comma -25y², comma 75x², comma 21y², comma लास्ट टर्म है 15yx. तो यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट द लाइक टर्म्स फ्रॉम दिस. अब जो वेरिएबल सेम है बेटे वो लाइक है. जैसे फर्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ लाइक टर्म्स 11x² और 75x², एक तो ये लाइक टर्म्स हैं. देन आई विल पुट देम इन वन ब्रैकेट. देन 24yx, एनी अदर टर्म इज इन yx? यस, दिस वन. 46xy, xy और yx बोथ वेरिएबल्स, एक ही बात है ये. -25y², और दिस वन इज 21y², लाइक दिस. और yx तो एक ये भी बेटे 15yx, ये भी यहीं आ जाएगा इन दिस ब्रैकेट. तो क्लोज दिस ब्रैकेट here. This one yx, this one yx, and this one y. In this way you can write all these are like terms. ठीक है बेटा. तो up to this it is sufficient. In next lecture I will tell you how can we add, subtract or multiply the algebraic expressions. Till then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.